I get it. You burn tight, deadlines, stress and overwork can really wear you down. I've been there too. But now I choose when and where I work from, anywhere in the world. How did I manage to make this change? Trading. If you think it's too complicated or you worry you don't have the right background or education, don't worry, you've got something important, access to my experience in this video. I'll walk you through my simple and proven trading system step by step. It's a system that no one else knows about and it would help me create the life of my dreams. Ready to start? Let's dive in! Hello, future millennials! I'm Barry Lloyd and I've been a professional trader for 7 years with 1.5 million in my bank account and counting. I can tell you that trading has the power to transform lives. I'm passionate about trading and I want as many people as possible to experience its potential. If you're looking to start your trading journey but I worry you won't be able to handle it, this video is for you. I'll break down my system step by step and show you that you don't have to be a professional to trade company shares successfully. Still skeptical? Then just watch the video till the end. Over the past 7 years, I've immersed myself in the world of trading, experimenting with various strategies and refining a step-by-step plan to achieve remarkable results in the shortest time possible. All my insights and experience are now available on my Telegram channel. On the channel, you'll find a wealth of tools, trading strategies, and detailed step-by-step guides. My subscribers use the information to effortlessly learn trading skills and apply them successfully, paving their way to freedom. If they can do, so can you. Just click on the link in the video description, join my Telegram channel, and take your first step toward living the life you've always dreamed of. Alright, let's dive into our trading session. So to keep things transparent, I've emptied my account balance so you can clearly track out progress. Next, we'll configure out indicators. We'll use MACD and Bollinger Bands to guide our trades. Today we'll be focusing on trading shares of major companies and currency pairs. So we'll set each trade duration to 1 minute. And our picks for this session include stocks like Apple and Alibaba, along with pairs such as Canadian dollar Swiss franc and Australian dollar Canadian dollar. We're starting with Apple. You can see that the prices just dipped below the support zone and then bounced back up. It looks like an upward trend is forming and the price is set to rise. I'm going to invest in this uptrend. And just like that, we've made a profit of 192. Congratulations on kicking off your successful trading journey. Now let's take a look at Alibaba. Here we're also seeing signs of an upward trend. So I'm going to invest in growth again. We enter the trade and... boom! We've gained another 192. Fantastic! Let's stick with this strategy for now. The trend is still strong, so we'll repeat the operation, but this time let's up our investment. And just like that, we've added another 384 to our balance. Not a bad start at all! And now let's check back with Apple. The trend is still upward, so let's ride it and invest for growth. Boom! We've just added 768 to our balance. Fantastic! Now let's shift our focus on our pairs. I've chosen the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We see a clear upward trend here as well. The price keeps hitting the high highs and the high lows, so we'll wait for the price to dip to the support level and then we invest. And just like that, we added another 1536 to our account. Curious about what happens next? Keep watching to see. Let's stay the course here. We'll keep an eye on any shifts in the price channel. And look at that, the price has just broken through the upper boundary of the channel. Time to invest! And we score another 28.8 on top. Wow! Meanwhile, on Alibaba, there is a slight downward movement, perfect for short play. We invest 29. And just like that, we boost our balance by another 55.68. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair is taking a dive. We see a strong bearish candle signaling a clear downward trend. Let's trade down. We invest. And there it is, another 107 added to our balance. We've just crossed the 100 mark, boys. Have you noticed how effortlessly I made those trades? Well, it wasn't always this easy for me. It took 7 years of hard work, refining strategies and mastering every aspect of trading. But here's the good news, you don't have to go through all that alone. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link is in the video description. Thousands of people are already using the information I share there to achieve amazing results. They're not just learning, they're winning. Don't hesitate, don't doubt yourself, and don't delay. The best part, it's completely free, so check out the link in the description and join us today. So let's take a look at the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. The price has hit the lower end of the movement and the MACD indicator is showing a significant dip. This suggests that we might see a reversal and an upward trend. So let's invest for growth. And we are up by 205.44. That is amazing! Now back to Apple. The price here has also reached the support zone and started to decline. Given this moment, it seems likely that the support line will break, continuing this downward trend. So let's go short. We invest 206. And we've gained another 395.52. Unbelievable. Let's check out the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We're seeing a strong bullish movement with barely any shadows. The price didn't even hesitate at the resistance zone and just broke right through it. So let's quickly invest 395 for the rise. And we're up by 758.40. Incredible speed and results. Why stop now? We've got a clear downward trend forming. Time to go short and capitalize on the decrease. We invest 759. And we get 1,457.27. A fantastic outcome. Ready for one more trade? We observe that the price is approaching the resistance zone, so we invest 1,457. Oh, that's a big price to lose, so press lower. And we get 2,797.44. Wow, that is amazing. Let's revisit the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Here we're focusing on a combination of technical indicators and the current price level. The setup suggests a likely rebound followed by a price drop, so let's invest 2,979. And what's our outcome? 5,370.24. That is fantastic! Now, what do you say to those who believe you need a ton of money to succeed in trading? Exactly, that is nonsense. You've seen firsthand where we started and the impressive balance we've built up. Still think trading is just for elite? Think again. It's all about seizing the opportunity, and that opportunity is right here, right now, with my Telegram channel. I've designed it specifically for beginners, packing in 7 years of my trading experience. Inside, you'll find everything you need, step-by-step guides on using the trading platform, ready to follow trade setups, and live trading signals. Basically, all the tools to start your trading journey confidently. And the best part? It's completely free. Thousands have already joined and thank me daily for their successes. So why wait? Don't hesitate. Subscribe to my Telegram channel now and begin the life you deserve. Alright, that's it from me. See you in Telegram channel and good luck!